next element into this sequence. I will repeat the beginning. Make her cross. We slow down here, and here we will do that change of direction with a stop. And we will make her go over, lead her that forward ocho, and place a foot in front of her. And this, for the follower, is what we did in the chair. One more time. Parallel system salida, embellishment, make her cross, slow down here, release to make her change the direction, stop her, ask her to go over with the forward ocho, you place your left foot in front of her right foot. She just pivot, so she is able to go with her right in front of you. One more time. Salida. Embellishment. Make her cross. Pause. Change the direction. Stop her. Make her go over. Lead her forward and place your foot in front of her. So after the pivot, she has to go over your foot. For now, that's it. I will do the forward. Here is the pose the leader is doing. Now he makes you cross. He makes you pause again. And now he makes you change the direction. And he stops you, asks you to go over his foot. And he leads you a forward ocho. This is what we did in the chair. You touch his foot, that is here. Axis. Go over, and that's where we stop at this point. Infinite possibilities at each station. One more time. Salida. Leader is playing here. Now he makes you cross. He makes you pause here. We continue. Change of direction. He stops you. He makes you go over. He stops you, makes you go over.
Whether you are following alone or with a partner, take your time in the movements and don't anticipate them, just make them.
Make it melodic, like this orchestra, make it very calor.
One thing for the leaders, I'm talking a lot about for the followers to not anticipate. So for the leaders, your part there will be to feel that the follower is with you all the time. So you don't just like, even though Marcelo has shown you, so you know, you have in your head, you have the whole structure, make sure that the follower is with you in every piece of it.
Yes, and that will make you leaders very stable, because in each position you are very grounded to be able to wait for your partner.
Yes.
Something that also allows you to move faster. If your partner moves faster, allows you to move faster. I can touch this foot, or I can touch this one. Mm-hmm. If I stop here, she comes here. If I stop here, for the follower it's the same movement, but she drags my foot. Mm-hmm. That will be the difference. But yes, either way is correct.